Welcome, Ivrio. Today, we'll explore the secret to maintaining the natural beauty of your wood floors and discover the local experts who can help you achieve that pristine shine. We all know that beautiful wood floors add a touch of elegance to any space, but maintaining that luster can be a challenge without the right knowledge and tools. Today, I'll share some tips on how to keep your floors looking brand new. First things first, let's talk about the importance of using the right products. Harsh chemicals can damage your wood floors over time, so opt for a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for wood. It's essential to clean your wood floors regularly to prevent dirt and grime from settling in. For a deep clean, consider hiring local professionals who specialize in wood floor cleaning. Speaking of professionals, let's take a look at some local experts who can help you achieve the best results, whether it's a routine cleaning or a full restoration. Limpier have the expertise to make your wood floors shine. In addition to regular cleaning, it's crucial to protect your wood floors from scratches. Use furniture pads and avoid dragging heavy items across the floor. Taking these simple steps can go a long way in preserving the beauty of your wood floors. Remember, for local solutions and expert care, trust Limpier who understand the unique needs of your wood floors. So, the next time you search for wood floor cleaning near me, rest assured that your beautiful floors are in good hands. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy cleaning.